Welcome to a new lesson on Nextscale Media. In today's lesson, we are going to understand a very important concept. So pay close attention. Watch this video carefully. So till now, we have already understood what affiliate marketing is, how affiliate marketing works, and then we also understood that if you want to work as an affiliate, what options do you have? Either you can directly join a company, or you can become a member of a marketplace or affiliate network, right? Now comes the next thing, which is extremely important. See, if you want to become a successful affiliate marketer, then it is very important that you treat affiliate marketing like a business, my friend. You need to do it the same way a business owner runs a business. The same way a business owner manages a new venture. That is how you need to approach affiliate marketing. If you think, okay, I'll start today, and tomorrow I'll make money. I'm sorry. That's not how it works. You need to work as a business owner. You need to think like a business owner. And if we want to take this forward as a business, then the very first thing you need to decide is, what kind of business do you want to do, right? What exactly do you want to sell? Do you want to sell health products? Do you want to sell parenting-related products? Do you want to sell kids' clothing? Do you want to sell women's clothing? Do you want to sell men's clothing? Do you want to sell furniture? Do you want to sell home decor? Do you want to sell digital products? So first, you need to decide what exactly you want to do. And this is called niche. What is it called? N-I-C-H-E. Niche. Niche means the segment you want to cater to. A niche is basically a group of people who share the same interest. For example, if I want to sell parenting-related products, then I am targeting parents. If I want to sell kids' clothing, then I am targeting people interested in buying kids' clothing. So my niche becomes kids' clothing. If I want to sell women-specific products, then my niche becomes women's products. If I want to sell furniture, then my niche becomes furniture. So first, you need to decide which niche you want to target, which segment you want to target. This is your step number 1. Now let's understand with a simple example. You have thousands, even millions, of niches available. For example, suppose I go to Amazon, and I open the full store directory. Now look at how many options are available. Alexa, Echo, Kindle, Fire Stick, ebooks. Now if I want, Echo and Alexa itself can become my niche. I can build my affiliate business only around Alexa products. That means my business is selling Alexa products. Similarly, Amazon Fire TV Stick can be a niche. Ebooks can be a niche. Prime Video can be a niche. Prime Music can be a niche. Now look at mobile and computers. I can sell mobile phones, mobile accessories, cases and covers, screen protectors, power banks, tablets, software, office supplies. These are all niches. Then TV and appliances, televisions, cameras, security cameras, camera accessories, refrigerators, men's fashion, women's fashion, sportswear, home and kitchen, furniture, home decor, kitchen tools, cookware, gas stoves, beauty products, makeup, diet and nutrition, sports, cricket, badminton, yoga, strength training, baby products, books, car accessories, games. So there are literally thousands of niches. And inside every niche, there are even more sub-niches. Now your job is to decide, which niche do you want to work in? Now how do you decide this? Very simple. First, you need to see where your interest is, right? Why did I say interest is important? Because going forward, we are going to create a lot of content. And if you choose a niche in which you have no interest, then creating content for that niche will become very difficult for you. You won't be able to consistently create content. And in that case, you will need to hire content creators or content writers. And if you hire them, you will have to spend money. So first condition, choose something in which you have genuine interest. But that alone is not enough. Second, that niche must also have market demand. Because if you choose something you like, but nobody wants to buy, then what is the benefit? You may create content, but nobody will purchase. So you need two things. First, choose a niche that interests you. Second, choose a niche that has market demand. Interest plus demand. Both are necessary. If market demand is missing, you will face huge difficulty. So today, your task is very simple. Go and decide, which niche do you want to select? And the easiest way is, go to Amazon, explore the categories, and decide what you actually want to promote. Because this will become the foundation of your business. And if you make a mistake here, then everything ahead can collapse. This is your foundation, and foundation needs to be strong. Just like when we build a house, we make the foundation strong so that the house does not shake, does not break, does not collapse in storms. Similarly, the niche you select should be strong enough that you can actually cater to it properly. So choose wisely. Thank you so much for watching this lesson on Nextscale Media.